Hi there, James here from Merlin. One of the features we have on our Merlin roller door openers is the audible beep feature. The audible beep feature is the noise that occurs when pressing either the up or down button on the operator to either open or close the garage door. Now you can actually turn this feature off if you'd like to, and it's a simple process. The first step is to make sure that the garage door is completely closed. So we're going to press the down button on the operator to completely close the garage door. The next step is turning the audible beep feature off. Looking at the operator, you need to hold both the red down button and the S yellow button at the same time for 3 seconds. After you've held it for 3 seconds, the operator light will flash. The feature has now been disabled. Let's double check to make sure that this has been done successfully. As you can see, audible beep has been disabled. If you'd like to turn audible beep back on, you follow the same process. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact Merlin.